Turn your passion and expertise into a thriving online community with your very own Substack email newsletter. In this detailed tutorial, we're going to walk you through the simple yet powerful process of setting up and publishing your email newsletter on Substack, no matter your experience level. First, head over to Substack.com and look for the Get Started button. This is your gateway to a world of direct audience connection. Clicking Get Started will take you to a straightforward sign-up page. You'll be asked to enter your email address, choose a display name, and create a password. Keep it simple and memorable. Next, it's time to name your newsletter. This is crucial. It should be memorable, descriptive, and reflect your content. Think about what will best attract your ideal reader and make it unique. Substack will then help you claim a unique URL for your newsletter. This will be the web address where your archive of posts will live. Make sure it's available and aligns with your newsletter's name. Once your newsletter is named, you'll land in your sleek Substack dashboard here. You can decide if you want to offer a free newsletter, a paid subscription, or a combination of both. You'll also see the clean interface where you'll craft your content. To create your first post, simply click the New Post button. This opens up Substack's intuitive editor here. You can write your compelling content, add images, embed videos, and even create polls. It's designed for you to focus on what you do best, creating great content. Before you hit publish, always use the preview option. This allows you to see exactly how your newsletter will appear in your subscribers' inboxes and on your Substack pages, ensuring a polished presentation. Ready to share your work? Click the Publish button, and Substack handles the rest, delivering your message directly to your engaged audience. With Substack, building and publishing your email newsletter is a breeze, allowing you to effortlessly connect with your community. Start your journey today and unlock the full potential of your message.